bakatwarwa kunkaya tubera omuzire ombulinjeri yona tusemera mukama mazima mutere ruhango mungaro kwendera nyenda kusima ababijukuru mu kureba aha n'abami banyu n'abacyara banyu mwebale kushendekeza shenkuru yanyu mwebale munonga eyimwiha mukama garuzeho mutwebalize n'abakwe bitu mutwebalize yona mwiro support kushendekeza muzeyi mwebale munonga kamkwase mukuru witu Barbara ahende
mwebale munonga Apollo abishemwe mwena abebitinisa baryaha abakozi ba gavumenti ekanisa n'abija kunshendekerezaho tatenkuru mwena n'abaramutse mu izina rya Yesu Kristo. Amazina ganje ni Nyetwitungo, ndi muhara wa Kagaju, muhara wa Joy muhara wa Muzehe Mvunganye niwe mukuru. Ngenda kwebaza bishukuru mwe no kunkereza nkabagambira umwanya nanishaka ngo baringwa muzoku hakuba inyamuto abambariya habona nimbatira bona mubare bona nimbatize myaka mingi konka kuba baringwa begwa mwinya mukuru. Ngenda kwebaza ruhango wakakiye Karongi kunyemerera hanare ubutebe nari babareta za tenti nashabeshara yajubajwa nagira nti Yesu twatse ejo leta gwa umutahamisha na gutaka ngweno reba yakihamuterero umuntu nishabire kindi gwabarabintu bagahari muhikaha kurungi tinkahurireyo accident mukama no wamani twe tumweba. Nyenda kwebaza tata Dr. Kagaju webale kumpitia tatenkuru. Nyenda kwebaza mawe okuntwara nkagumanireba tatenkuru. I have visited my grandfather every holiday obuna bintu by'omuntu ya tata twakora bondi obundi aha okutatenkura Karlo ya wanje kuna binesho by'omukabantera mpaba bowe nchababa amporereza ino naza hambaga headmaster witu Rugarama naye shongora akwaya kuna garukiro mukaba bampenda yabeta bazire banje yabashamisa ati mutagata kuntera kana ati mutagarucha atakishukanye mutagarucha atatuweza kama magezi atogumuzo mukanisotera akachenche atoyeshongorera okwo bweno bumbaha zaburiona ninjima nyomutwe Muzehe niwe yambwira ubwo wagira tatwaza kweshongora muteshongora cyona bijya no kugira ngo yarigenda ko nagire kampani imyaka 20 nyumoko abiri nendije nashoberwa abantu baba katoliki bweno ndio mukatoliki nani nyenda kwebaza Muzehe yogu omumwagambira bingi alina magezi mingi munonga. Muzehe kuna benyeza kushoma agriculture yanchata tutashoma agriculture namubuza tahabwenji nanjati you do music atwena music wanye tujie atshoma music noza kwihamuza akandi kurake noza makerere atati washobochori yamo
banange bwenzikira temunyiga kubanga kituufu data yaweddeko
ninjira kunashobora kwikacha kaba zile banje kabiri ngiki kandi kunashobora music ebyahenderiro mwena numurere nizo ninyenda kwebaza barumuna banje barimo kurebera aha babire bari very vigilant omburamu bwa Muzehe kuko bireno bagira ngo hine kituri kwenda mushonde sente in 2 minutes tubira twatwaza ubwenge mwebare muno Edi yemerera tutulage kwebaza webali mnonga webali kutubeereraho aho tutabiire webali kulwaza mzee okamunalisa okamujweka.
Before bed tonight, try this 7-second brain.
Webali Edi ngo bwali aho aba ango wanje webali mnonga nyenda kwebaza omwami wanje Sebo Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu President wa NUP omusawo wange kati Rosalie kuyabira Kampala azomwigwa ya mwami Kyagulanyi wa Dr. wa mwami Kyagulanyi sometimes bali mukuba mzee yafiire bamugambire aliha airport alikugaruka Toronto ati munyehereze ebijani bya cases zona ntakagira hanyonyi Sebo mwami Kyagulanyi njagala kwebaza taata webale njagala
So emotional, so emotional as it's indeed emotional, very
mbadde nsaba onzikirize nkuyite mu butongole abantu bari aha bose rero baravuga indimi nyinshi ngwino vugane natwe short just tell us what you have to say to us. Thank you. Ngetunamubuuzaako
banyenda abaganda bali aha banyetegerezike. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to say goodbye to a great man, a man that has brought so many people together in his life and also in his death. Mzee Ernest Munganyi touched so many lives. Everyone here connected with him. Personally, I'm here saying goodbye to the father of my
begayiridde dadi ayogera kwogera naye network data warning namba ziri ku screen mbegayiridde
ewaffe Buganda gyemva batukuzanga batuyigiriza nti bakodomi bo oba ku buko be bantu abali very special, and we take our in-laws as very, very sensitive people. era batuyigiriza nti bakodomi bo olina okufunayo alai oba olina okufunayo kyaliiwo akuwolereza. Nze mu famire ya Babi, papa yabadde kyali wange. He loved me very much, and even back in the day when I was trying to ask for Babi's hand in marriage, even when I knew her parents were very, very strict, Mzee was my way in many ways. He accepted me, he embraced me, he made me feel welcome even when I was still a Rasta man from a different culture. He was a friendly person. Every once in a while when we visited him and drove around the hills of Rentobo, he would ask me to play music. He loved music, and he would sing along the gospel music that we played for him. He would tell so many stories of how we used to stay in Kampala in the 1950s, how we studied there, and how the country was more united back in the day than now. He told me of how we was, but most importantly, the unification of the country. His generation, the generation of Mzee Mbonganyi, was the generation that gave us independence. They were coming from different tribes, different cultures, but the need for better country was above everything. They united and they gave us a country which we call Uganda today. I hope and also unite, especially according to the problems that we have, to put together a country that we will be proud to give to our children and our grandchildren. We thank God for his life, 90, but we must face it that every wonderful thing Mukama akuwe kimule ky'emirembe akusasira ebintu byakusobako twebaza Katonda olw'obulamu bwo mwebale munonga kumpuliriza lukonde gumeho.
Kale mugabye muteero mu ngalo. Abantu beebala b'ekikulu mwebale sipiiki yanyu okutonzya okusiima. Thank you so much. Ati twazaala banywanyi be. So ng'okunanabaga